There isn't actually one solution that fits all. It sounds odd. It would be rather nice just to say, actually, you just do this and that's the end. But the true answer is it is completely dependent on the type of data. It's completely dependent on whether that data is on a server or on a PC. And it's also dependent on what their internet speed is like. Bear in mind that most internet connections are very much optimized for down speed rather than up speed. And when you're backing up, obviously you're sending data up into the cloud rather than pulling it down. So the simple answer is you need to talk to somebody. That could be that you just do a backup on a hard drive. In the good old days you could use CDs and DVDs and the such like. USB flash drives are also another option, but these days it tends to be external hard drives that you can back up to if that's the right solution for yourself. The disadvantage of that is it involves a human, and as humans we're all quite busy, we're all interrupted, and we often forget to do things. So it works well if somebody's quite disciplined, and as long as there's a backup schedule in place and the person's disciplined, that potentially could work quite well. Another option is to actually have that automated and sent up into the cloud overnight. That works really well for basic files. When there's not a lot changing, essentially those files can be compressed. They're always secure, they're always encrypted so that nobody else can actually see that data. Even our own engineers cannot see that data. And that's then sent up into the cloud, into a secure server. We've got secure servers over in Cardiff doing exactly that. Another option is to use tape backups. Tape backups are not that great. They're predominantly used on site servers. They've seen better days. I mean, the hard drives, the external hard drives, are a far better way of doing that now. Finally, another option is to actually not keep anything on site, to actually keep it all in the cloud. One of the benefits of working in the cloud is that the data is backed up, and it's backed up by whoever the supplier is. Again, works for certain businesses really well, not a great fit for businesses when they start to get to 20 plus users, in my opinion. So completely dependent on the business, the way they want to work, and actually what their discipline is like, and whether somebody's actually able to take responsibility for it.